Okay, we are using the red setting, and we're going to check the heat on the Core 2.0 using the V5 heater. So here's the red setting. Now I want to see exactly what temperature this gets to maximum on the red setting. Okay, I just had it blink. So it's definitely running a little hotter than the green setting, which was hovering around 440, but did get up to a temperature of 470. So this one is definitely getting a little hotter. It's getting up to 500 degrees, it looks like. Yep, we just hit 500 right there. Okay, we got a little 520. I'm getting lots of vapor coming off my bowl right now. So we're seeing numbers as high as 530 on the red setting. Yep. And that's probably about as hot as we're going to see it right there. 560 or so.